It's disgusting. You're so messy. Take the spoon away really quick.
She has it all over her face.
Dude, it smells.
It's on the front of her face. I usually give her an ice cube to wash it down.
Well, at least that's nice. Billy, do you got peanut butter on your nose? Yeah? Get it. There's still some on there. Did you get it?
Baby, you want an ice cube? Here, take a couple. Here, baby.